Hi, I'm Milan, the founder of Kubiron Studio. We specialize in high-end architectural visualization and design support. We collaborate with investors, architects, and design studios around the world. If you're watching this video, you're likely looking for someone who can clearly present your project, attract investors, and make each design ready for construction.
That's exactly what we do.
Over the past 12 years, we've completed more than 250 projects in USA, Europe, and the Middle East. We help clients present their ideas through photorealistic renders, animations, and VR presentations that make every decision faster and easier. We work with professionals and private clients, from early design development and material coordination to complete investor and marketing presentations. With a team of 8 experienced architects and designers, our job is very simple: to provide clients with top-notch service equally as high quality as our visual results. Our dedication to precision, clarity, and consistency has made Kubiron Studio one of the top-rated firms on Upwork for architectural and design services, trusted by both small studios and large development companies. We approach every project we take on with the same logic to ensure the result looks reliable, professional, and ready for investors. So, if you're currently working on a new project and need support with design, visualization, or presentation, send me a message and visit kubiron.com. I'll be happy to help make your next project look as if it's already been built.